Welcome on my YouTube channel. So, dear friends, this is the next case when I must buy it, because it's for me incredible nice piece of old technique. This radio, portable radio, Siemens Planar 421. Incredible nice, as you could see at the beginning of the video. I love such a old technique, and it's from the mid-70s. The production started around the year 1974, so we have now 2025, so it's about 50, maybe 51 years old portable radio, and for its age it looks, I must say, not like new one, but it's incredible. Yes, I have some comments. From the bottom is missing this small cover of the power cable, and also the antenna is I think not original, or maybe here is damaged on the top, and it's a question of it is original here or no. It's a little free here in the opening, but it works. And the sound after 51 years, it's I can say not bad. Here are the presets U4, U4, U3, U4, U3, U2, U2, and U1. This is the main tuning. So let's try it. But regarding the copyright on the music, if there will be some music from the broadcasting, I cannot let it play longer than 5-6 seconds regarding the copyright. So let's try it.
Thomas. Herce většinou dobře známe, ale tam jsou v některých případech i režisérů.
You can move quickly, or this is slow. I'm worried of the copyright, that it's incredible nice. I cannot let it play longer. Then the preset number 2. 3.
Takhle klidně sázíte kytičky, najednou přijde medvěd,
4.
takhle vám zaťuká na rameno. Zajímáte?
I cannot let it play longer. Incredible nice. Yes, as it is usual, this radio is for sale. You can find it later on my website Angelicaaudio CZ on the page portable audio, but I must find some nice place before before I will sell it. I put it anywhere here because it's incredible nice. So, dear friends, I believe that you like such an old piece of technique as I do. So thank you for watching, thank you for subscribing our YouTube channel, and if you like our videos, you can also join our channel. So have a nice day.